the expression for third order reaction.
First, we have to consider a general reaction. 3A it gives product. This is our general reaction. And for this general reaction, the rate and rate law is R is equal to minus change in concentration of reactant A upon dt is equal to rate law K into concentration of reactant A raised to the power 3. This is our rate of reaction and rate law. Then by rearranging this equation we get change in concentration of reactant A upon A cube is equal to K dt. This is our equation number 1. In equation number first, the concentration of reactant is changes with change in time. That's why the concentration of reactant is changes from A0 to A at time t, and the time which is changes from 0 to t here. That's why we integrate this equation number 1 between the limits, that is left hand side and for right hand side. Here left hand side minus change in concentration of reactant A upon A cube is equal to integration of K dt between the limits A0 to A, our left hand side, and right hand side 0 to t here. On integrating this left hand side and right hand side, the integration of dA means that dx, that is 1 upon a cube dx at left hand side, and for right hand side the k which is constant outside the sign of integration means that k is as it is, and integration of dt, that is t here. Here it is the integration of dA, not between the limits or not putting the limits. We solve this equation further. We written as this a cube as a minus 3 is equal to kt, means that the integration of this a minus 3 means the integration of x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. By using this rule or by applying this rule, the above equation number second becomes now here a minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1 here, and here it is the minus. This minus is as it is here is equal to kt here, means this minus 3 plus 1, that is a minus 2 and minus 2 here, that is minus in multiply, is equal to kt as it is. Here this minus minus get cancelled, and now the above equation written as 1 upon a square, and here that is 1, that is 2, that is 1 half, means 1 half into bracket 1 upon a square is equal to kt. This is our equation number 3. Equation number 3 between the limits, here 1 half into bracket 1 upon a square between the limits a0 to a here is equal to kt, k into t between 0 to t. Now here we use the first upper limit and then lower limit. Here it is 1 half into 1 upon this a square, here a is equal to a, means that a square as it is, minus this 1 upon a square instead of a, that is a0, means 1 upon a0 is here, and bracket complete, that is square, is equal to k between the limits, that is t minus 0 here. Hence the equation 4 becomes 1/2 into bracket 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a0 square is equal to kt. This is our equation number 4 here. We know that this a square and a0 means that initial concentration of the reactant. That's why a means that concentration of reactant A means that a minus x bracket square, this is also square. a0 means that initial moles, that is a initial moles and final moles, here a square. By rearranging this above equation number 4, we get 1/2 into bracket 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a0 square, and now here it is k, and this t into here, it is 1 upon 2t. This is our equation in the form of rate constant for third order reaction. Then now by substituting this a square and a0 square as a minus x square and a square, we get k is equal to 1 upon 2t into bracket this 1 upon a square means that 1 upon a minus x bracket square minus 1 upon only a square bracket complete. On cross multiplication in this equation, we get k is equal to 1 upon 2t here as it is, and into bracket this 1 into a square, that is a square minus into bracket a minus x bracket square upon a into a minus x square means that a square into bracket a minus x bracket square. Here we apply a minus b square rule for this a minus x square. What says a minus b bracket square rule, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, means k is equal to here 1 upon 2t into bracket a square minus a here square minus 2ax plus x square upon a square into a minus x bracket square bracket. The equation now 1 upon 2t as it is into bracket this a square into a square minus a square, this minus minus get plus here, and here 2ax, this minus plus get minus, that is x square. On simplification of this bracket, we get here a square minus a square plus 2ax minus x square upon a square into a minus x bracket square as it is. Now in the above equation, this plus a square minus x square get cancelled, and the remaining equation is k is equal to 1 upon 2t into bracket 2ax minus x square upon a square into bracket a minus x bracket square. Equation x get common here, that is k is equal to 1 upon 2t into bracket this 2a minus 2ax minus x square means that x into bracket 2a minus x upon a square into bracket a minus x bracket square bracket complete. This a square get here means the equation for rate constant of third order reaction is 2a square into t into bracket x into 2a minus x upon a minus x bracket square. This is our equation number 5. The given equation is the equation for rate constant for third order reaction. For third order reaction is here 1 upon 2a square. A means mole, means concentration, means 1 upon here into bracket concentration square into t means time into bracket here this x means that mole means that concentration into this 2a minus x also says concentration upon this concentration bracket square. This concentration get cancelled and here the remaining is that 1 upon means concentration square, this is raised to the minus 2 into that is time, that is 1 upon time means this is nothing but here time inverse. This concentration which is expressed in moles per liter, that is minus 2, and this time inverse here the second inverse. These are the units for third order reaction.